Okay, today's video is looking at expanding algebraic expressions, and this first video will be the basic type. So I've put one here, x plus 3, x plus 2. How we would expand this is we would go x times x, which gives us x squared. We would then do x times 2, which gives us 2x. We would then do 3 times x, which gives us 3x, and lastly 3 times 2, which gives us 6. So that is expanding the expression. We then look at what we have to see if there are any like terms, and the answer is yes, there are like terms, and if that answer is yes, then you need to look at combining those like terms. So what we would do, I'll just neaten this up a bit, what we would do is we would say x squared. We will then combine 2x plus 3x as they are like terms, they both have an x, combine that to make 5x, and then add 6. So that would be our answer to that one. The second one I'd like to do for you is x minus 7, 6 minus x. So it's the same process. We multiply x by 6 to give us 6x. We multiply x times x, which gives us x squared. Then look at the signs. This is a positive, this is a negative, so a positive and a negative, we put a negative there. Again, needing to neaten that up a bit. So a negative will go there. We then go 7 times 6, which is 42. Look at the signs. Negative, positive gives us a negative. And then lastly, 7 times by x, which gives us 7x. Negative times by a negative gives us a positive. From there, we look and we see if there are, again, any like terms. And there is a term with an x there and a term with an x there. So we would combine the like terms. Our answer would be negative x squared plus 13x, because 6x and 7x gives us 13x, then minus 42. The order does not matter, but normally the order that answers are written in is the x squared term, then the x term, and the no x term. Another example is third example, 2x plus 4, x plus 3. So I multiply 2x times x, which gives me 2x squared, 2x times 6, which gives me 6x, 4 times x, which gives me 4x, and 4 times 3, which gives me 12. Again, if we look at that, 6x and 4x are like terms, because obviously both have an x, so we then combine it, so it's 2x squared, 6x plus 4x is 10x plus 12. Okay, one last one is one that has a number out the front. So what I'd like you to do with ones like this is put the number out the front there, but then if you like, forget about that. So cover it up and then just concentrate on this thing here in brackets. So you put the 3 out the front. We'll just put some square brackets there. We'll forget about the 3 and just expand these brackets. X times x gives me x squared. X times 2 gives me 2x. 8 times x gives me 8x. And 8 times 2 gives me 16. Again, let's still forget about the 3. Let's look, and we have like terms, 2x plus 8x. So we combine those, x squared plus 10x plus 16. And now we think, okay, there's a 3 out the front. So we need to multiply everything in these brackets by 3. So it's 3 times x squared, which is 3x squared, 3 times 10x, which is 30x, and 3 times 16, which is 48. So what I've just done there is the simplest type of expanding brackets, The textbook uses a method called the FOIL method, so you can see your textbook for that method, and the exercise related to these worked examples is exercise 7.2, so if you're needing to do some for practice, please refer to 7.2.